Is your Nissan showing a warning light with two cars, a star in the middle, and the word off underneath? That is your automatic emergency braking system telling you something is wrong. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly what caused it and how to fix it. Let's get into it. So, what is the automatic emergency braking AEB system? This system, also known as forward collision warning or intelligent emergency braking, depending on your vehicle model, is designed to detect when you are about to collide with the vehicle in front of you and automatically apply the brakes before you can react. When that light shows up with off underneath, it means the system has either been turned off manually or something is preventing it from working properly. Now, here's where most Nissan drivers get confused. The light doesn't always mean something is broken. So before you panic or head to a dealership, try these fixes first. Fix number 1. Check your settings. This is the first thing to check and most people skip it. Go into your driver assistance settings on your infotainment screen, or on some models it's on the cluster screen right in front of you. Look for automatic emergency braking or forward collision warning and make sure it's turned on. This gets switched off more often than you'd think. A software update, a rental driver, or even just bumping the wrong button can disable it without you realizing. Fix number 2. Clean the front radar sensor. This one is the most common cause based on real owner experiences. The radar sensor is usually located in the lower front grille or behind the Nissan emblem, depending on your model. If it's covered in dirt, snow, ice, or even a wax film left over from a car wash, the system will shut itself off automatically. This happens a lot in cold weather and right after a car wash. Just take a clean cloth, wipe the sensor down, and give the car a restart. A lot of people are surprised how often this is all it takes. Fix number 3. Restart the car. Sometimes the fix really is that simple. Turn the car off, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, and restart it. This clears temporary software glitches that can trigger the warning without any actual fault in the system. If you recently had your car at a car wash, parked in very cold weather, or the light just appeared out of nowhere, try this before anything else. Fix number 4. Check your battery. A weak or recently drained battery is one of the most overlooked causes of this warning. Modern Nissans are very sensitive to voltage drops, and when the battery is low, multiple safety systems, including the automatic emergency braking, can temporarily shut off as a precaution. If you recently jump-started the car, or if your battery is more than 3 to 4 years old, that could be the reason. Drive the car for 20 to 30 minutes to let the alternator recharge the battery. In many cases, once the voltage stabilizes, the system resets on its own. If the battery is genuinely weak, replace it, and the warning should clear. Fix number 5. Scan for fault codes. If none of the above fixes work, it's time to plug in an OBD2 scanner. For Nissan vehicles, the codes you want to look out for are C1A0, which relates to the forward recognition camera system, C1A15, which points to a radar sensor performance issue, and C1A73, which indicates a problem with the intelligent emergency braking system itself. You'll need a Nissan-compatible scanner or a professional scan at a shop to read them properly. If you're getting any of these codes, the radar sensor or the camera may need recalibration or replacement. A dealership can do this, but independent shops with the right equipment can handle it too, and usually for less money. A few Nissan owners, especially on the 2024 and 2025 Rogue, Murano, and Versa, have reported this light appearing alongside other warnings, and in some cases the car not starting at all. If that's your situation, the issue is likely electrical. Either the battery, a module losing power, or a software fault. Get it scanned before assuming it's just the radar. So, to recap. Fix number 1, check your settings. Fix number 2, clean the radar sensor. Fix number 3, restart the car. Fix number 4, check your battery. And fix number 5, scan for fault codes, starting with C1A0, C1A15, and C1A73. If one of these fixes worked for you, drop a comment below and let me know which one did it. It actually helps other people watching this figure out their problem faster. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe if you want more straightforward Nissan fixes without the fluff.